Lisa Wu from Maxcel West Coast Realty. Today I want to talk about lead generation. Lead generation should be done consistently and constantly. You should also time block your most precious time of lead generation. I recommend at least do it 5 times a week, 2 hours a day. So calling 2 hours a day, Monday to Friday. So during your Monday to Friday, you may be pulling up phone numbers for a particular farm area that you will be hosting an open house, and you will be calling, inviting all the neighbors to come to your open house. And you should also focus on expiries. Expiries that are in an area about 10 blocks from your open house. Find those numbers and give them a call. Invite them to your open house and book an appointment with them. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, share us on your social media. Thank you.